Hello students, welcome to Sports Plus. So today we are discussing about the CBSE curriculum 2022-23. So in this video we are discussing about the changes made by the CBSE in the physical education class 12th syllabus. Okay, that is going to applicable in the year of 2022 एंड 23. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं जो भी सीबीएसई का अभी नया करिकुलम आया है, इसमें जो चेंजेस हुए हैं फिजिकल एजुकेशन के सिलेबस में, उसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं. तो चलिए बिना समय गंवाते हुए शुरुआत करते हैं फिजिकल एजुकेशन के सिलेबस को लेकर. So let us talk about the unit 1, management of sporting event. So last year इसका नाम था planning in sports. So this year they have changed the name. But if you see the topic are same. So let's discuss about the topic, function of sports events management, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So it is same but we have studied in last year. Various committee and their responsibility pre, during and post tournaments. So it is also say fixtures and its procedure, knockout, bye and seeding and league, staircase and cycling. So here you will come to know that two topics they have deleted. One is intramural and extramural and the second is specific sports program. So that is a good thing. Now you have a short syllabus. So let's discuss about unit 2, children and women in sports. So this was the 5th chapter last year. They have bring it the now second chapter. So in that, common postural deformities that last year was also there, knock knee, bow legs, flat foot, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis and scoliosis and their corrective measures. तो ये last year भी था, इस बार भी है. Special consideration, Menarche, menstrual dysfunction. Okay, female athlete triad, Osteoporosis, Amenorrhea, eating disorder. So it was also there. Now also no change in this unit. Okay, let's go to the third chapter now. The third unit is yoga as preventive measure of lifestyle disease. So it is also same, no change in that. Let's talk about the chapter number 4, physical education and sports for CWSN, children with special need, or we can say them Divyang. So here are the topic, organization promoting disability sports, special Olympic, Paralympic and Deaf Olympics. So if you remember last year you have studied same in the class 11th, they have taken from the class 11th and put it in the class 12th. तो ये class 11th से उठाकर class 12th में डाल दिया है इसको. So this is a good thing. You have studied last year. There no need to study this year. So advantage of physical activity for children with special needs and strategy to make physical activity accessible for children with special needs. So it was last year also there. So no change in that. So chapter 5 is sports and nutrition. तो यहाँ पर भी कोई change नहीं है. No change in the unit 5. So let's talk about the unit 6, that is test and measurement in sports. Here is the biggest change. You see the physical fitness test, Sai Khelo India fitness test in school. So they have introduced this time Sai Khelo India fitness test. They have introduced it the school purpose. So now it is the part of the syllabus in class 12th. Age group 5 to 8 year, that means class 1 and 1 to 3. BMI, Flamingo balance test or plate tapping test, that is for the class 1 to 3. Now let's go to the next, age group 9 to 18 years. It means class 4 to class 12. BMI is there, 50 meter speed test, 50 meter speed test, 600 meter run and walk, sit and reach test to test flexibility, strength test, abdominal partial curl-ups, push-ups for boys and modified push-ups for girls. So that is the new this time Sai Khelo India fitness test. Okay, computing based metabolic rate, BMR, this is the new concept this year they have introduced. And Rickley and Jones senior citizen test, it was last year also there and this year also it is there. Okay, so now let's go to the chapter number 7, physiology and injuries in the sports. Here also no change. The change is that first aid they have removed. Previously first aid was there. First aid इसमें पहले था जो अब निकाल लिया गया है, अब नहीं है. So next is the chapter number 8, biomechanics and sports, Newton's law of motion and its application in sports, it is same. Equilibrium, dynamic and static, and center of gravity and its application in sports, so it was also there. Friction and sports was also there, but projectile was not there. So long back, 5 year back in the physical education syllabus, projectile was there, but now they have introduced again. So here is the little bit change in biomechanics and sports. Let's go to the unit 9, psychology and sports. So here, personality, its definition, this is also same, last year was there. Meaning, concept, a type of aggression, it was also last year, and this year also it is same. Psychological attributes in sports, self-esteem, mental imaginary, self-talk, and goal setting. So here you saw na motivations technique, these are all the motivation techniques. So they also, it is the like same, but they have manipulation the words, so it is also same. So now let's discuss about the training in sports, concept of talent identification and talent development in sports. This is the new topic they have added. Introduction of sports training cycle, micro, meso, macro cycle. So this is also new topic they have added. So rest two are same, types and method to develop strength, endurance and speed, flexibility and coordinating ability. So these are the new things. Here is the practical now. See here what they have introduced now. They have introduced the Khelo India fitness test. Okay, Sai Khelo India fitness, that Sports Authority of India have introduced the Khelo India fitness test, that they have introduced, that is for the 6 marks. Okay, proficiency in games and sports, that also skill of the game. Okay, 7 marks. Yoga practices, whatever the yoga asana you are writing in your record file. So any 2 asana you have to write from the lifestyle disease. All lifestyle disease, 2 asana for all lifestyle disease you have to write in this. Okay, the record file 5 marks, viva, that is 5 marks. So record file shall include here practical fitness test administration. Whatever the Sai Khelo India fitness test is there, that you have to write. Practical 2, procedure for asana, benefit, contradiction for any 2 asana for each lifestyle disease, that I was telling to you. And the practical 3 is any one IOA recognized sports oblique games of choice, label diagram of field and equipment, also mention its rule, terminology and skill. Now there is no list. Any game you can choose which is recognized by Indian Olympic Association. Okay, so that game you can choose, you can write about that game. So what you are going to write in that practical file? So first you have to write the label diagram of the field. So whatever the field is there, that game, that you have to make the diagram of that field, and equipment, what are the equipment required for that game. Then you have to mention the rule also, regulations, rules and regulation, terminologies, skill of the game, how many skills are there in that game, everything you have to mention in the record file. Okay, so with this we came to end of this video. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any query regarding the syllabus, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends for upcoming update of CBSE physical education. Whatever the CBSE will give the update, we are going to tell you in the videos. So for that you have to subscribe our channel. And one more thing, let me tell you, if you want notes of the term 2 examination, it is the app. The app link is given in the description below. You can download the app from Google Play Store. So everything is there. So just you have to download the app, and you can download the notes also from that app. So that's all. So take care, goodbye, and see you in next video.